I'm here with Christina, another great, fabulous teacher. She's from Texas. So tell us a little bit about your program.
I teach graphics design and illustration at United High School in Laredo, Texas. I brought 4 students with me to Photoshop World. It's the first time that we've ever been here. We're very excited to attend, and we've been having a wonderful time. And the best part of this was when I was able to meet with Mr. Kelby in one of his courses, and I got his autograph, and the kids were really excited because they took a picture with him and some of the other staff members, and so they're having a fantastic time.
Now, what part of the Adobe Suite do you teach the children?
I teach them the Creative Suite. They learn, I teach Graphics Design 1 and 2, so in 1 they learn Photoshop and Illustrator CS6, and in 2 they learn Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Acrobat.
Wow. Now, at the end, what happens to the children?
At the end of the school year, they take an Adobe Certified Associate exam so they can all become Adobe Certified Experts. Again,
how incredible is that? Kids graduating high school.
Awesome, yes.
With a degree.
Yes.
You know, with an Adobe certification, you know, especially in the way we have in society now, where a lot of the kids don't even graduate high school.
Yes, and I'm always telling the kids that with the program that they're taking at the high school, that when they graduate from the program, they have employability skills. They can use the skills that they've learned using the Adobe software to get them through college and to get the jobs that they need in marketing, advertising firms, or maybe to put together portfolios for other students that are wanting to go to college and they need electronic portfolios. There's so much that they can do with what they've learned. And you know, the most exciting part of all of this is that when they're in the classroom learning, they'll turn around. If I'm sitting with them, they'll say, Ms. Flores, that's what you taught us. I know that because that's what you taught us. And it's like, oh my God, pat on the back.
Awesome. And that's why these teachers are incredible. And we were fortunate, one of our sponsors, Hunt's Photo. What did they give you?
Hunt's Photo gave me a $100 gift card, and I'm very thankful for that. Thank you so much.
Great.
And I'm going to share it with the students.
And I met some of your students in passing.
Yes.
Great group of kids.
Thank you so much. I agree. I agree. They're fantastic. They worked really hard to get here. We had to go out and get sponsors for the trip. We raised over $6,000 to get here, and they knew that they had to commit to raising the funds in order for us to come. And they worked really hard. They went out, asked for sponsors, and we're going to put the sponsors' names up at our high school in a banner to thank them with a photograph from Photoshop World to let them know that this is what we did, because the kids compete in Skills USA. And they won first place in graphics design and in other skills. So that's why this group of children were chosen to come to Photoshop World and to raise the money to get here.
That's incredible. That's
so
incredible. Well, thank you as a teacher.
Thank
you for bringing your children. This is the first Photoshop World.
Yes.
And I'm sure it's not going to be your last.
Oh, I hope not. The kids are already talking about coming next year.
Great. So from Photoshop World in Orlando, again, we thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to Photoshop World.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.
You bet.